Select one of the following equations to match the sketch shown below. 6 possibilities, and here's the sketch. Part B. Write down the minimum value of y equals sine 5x. Part 2. Find all the solutions of the equation sine 5x equals 1 for values of x from 0 to 100 degrees. So that's the question, and I've summarized it here. So let's have a look at part A first of all. So this curve goes up and down. It's a sinusoidal, it's a sine curve, but it goes from a maximum of 4 to minus 4. The sine itself goes from up and down from 1 to minus 1. So there's two lots of here. This will go up and down from 2 to minus 2. 3 to minus 3, 4 to minus 4. So that's a possibility. And this one goes up and down, up to 4 and down to minus 4 as well. This one 3 and this one 3. So it's either this one or this one. They're both the same, so I better look back at the question and see if I've correctly written down the actual problem. This is 3x here, so let's just change that to a 3. I think everything else is okay. I just managed to write that down like so. Okay, good. So it's either this one or this one. So the point is it's 60 degrees. Well, if you put 60 degrees in here, you get sine 240, and if you tap that in a calculator, you wouldn't get 0. But if you type 60 in here, 3 60s are 180. So sine 3x is 0 when x is 60, so it has to be this one, if any. So we can now confidently write y equals, by a process of elimination, 4 sine 3x. We could, of course, recognize the curve directly as well, of course, because this sine goes up and down in 180, but goes up and down in 180 normally, but 3x will go 3 times as quickly. 180 over 3 is 60, so that's what we would have expected anyways. Part B. Part 1. Write down the minimum value of y equals sine 5x. The sine function just varies between 1 and minus 1, so the minimum value is minus 1, which we've written down. Part 2. Solve this equation then. Let's have a look at this. Sine 5x equals 1. X goes from 0 to 100, so 5x then will go from 0, 5 of these, 5 of the 5x's, and 5 of these is 500. So that's the range of solutions. So let's draw a circle. CAST. Start at 0. We're going to go round to 500, but here's 360 as one full turn, so bear that in mind. Now the sign is positive. Sign is positive here and here, so draw 2 lines. Write down alpha, the associated acute angle, and write sine alpha is equal to 1. Drop the negative if there is one to drop. So that tells what alpha is then. Alpha will equal, has to be 90 degrees, doesn't it? The acute angle there. So it's 90 degrees here and here. So if we go round in our solution set, it turns out that those two are the same because we can go round to 90 as the first solution. And then the other solution is round to here, back 90, which again is 180 minus 90 is 90. So this is the only solution set then here. So if we go round in our range then, the first solution, 5x is the angle in question. The first possibility is 90 degrees. Then if we go round, keep going round, we get to 360, and another 90 is 450. And that's it, because once we go past to here, say, we can't go round again because we're outside our range. So that tells us what x is. 90 over 5, which is 18, and 450 over 5, which is 90 degrees. So x equals 18 degrees and 90 degrees. So that's the solution there for the problem.